Hello there, young explorers. Are you ready to go on an exciting adventure into the wild world of rhinoceroses? Today we'll learn all about these amazing giants and discover some fascinating facts about them. So put on your adventure hats and let's get started. Rhinos are known for their tough skin and big horns. Their skin is so thick that it acts like armor to protect them from thorns and sharp branches. Rhinos use their horns for protection, but they also use them to dig for food and mark their territory. Rhinos are incredible creatures. There are 5 species of rhinos. We have the white rhino, the black rhino, the Indian rhino, the Javan rhino, and the Sumatran rhino. Each one is unique and special. White rhinos, despite the name, are not white at all. They usually are gray or brown. White rhinos are the largest of all rhinoceroses and can weigh up to 5,000 pounds. They live on the continent of Africa. Black rhinos can be various shades of gray, brown, or even white, depending on the color of the mud they wallow in. They also live in Africa. Black rhinos can weigh 2,000 to 3,000 pounds. Indian rhinos are also called one-horned rhinos, even though they can have a second, smaller horn. They are primarily found in the tall grasslands and swamps of India. Indian rhinos are among the largest land animals and can also weigh from 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. Javan rhinos can be found in dense lowland rainforests and grasslands of Indonesia and Vietnam. Javan rhinos are relatively small compared to other rhino species. Javan rhinos can weigh from 2,000 pounds up to 4,000 pounds. Sumatran rhinos are the smallest of all rhino species. They can weigh from 1,000 to 2,000 pounds. They are covered in reddish-brown to black hair and have 2 horns on their snouts. Sumatran rhinos can be found on the islands of Sumatra in Indonesia and the Malay Peninsula in Malaysia. Rhinos are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They munch on grass leaves and even branches. They have big appetites. Rhinos play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By eating plants, they help keep the grasslands healthy. These grasslands provide homes for other animals like birds and insects. Rhinos are masters of body language. They use their posture to send important messages. When a rhino stands tall, it means they are alert and ready to defend themselves. When they lower their heads and approach slowly, it's a sign of curiosity. Rhinos also make sounds to communicate. They can grunt, snort, and even make trumpet-like noises. These sounds help them convey emotions like irritation, fear, or excitement. Rhinos also communicate through tender actions. Mother rhinos have a strong bond with their calves. They nuzzle, touch, and stay close to keep them safe. It's their way of saying, "I love you." Rhino babies are called calves. They are absolutely adorable. They have wrinkled skin and tiny horns called buttons. These buttons will eventually grow into big horns as the calf gets older. Rhino calves love to play. They run around, chase each other, and roll in the mud. Rhino calves learn from their parents. They watch how their parents find food. The parents also teach the calves how to stay safe from dangerous predators. When rhinos gather in a group, it's called a crash. They come together for protection and to share information about food and water sources. It's like a community meeting among rhinos. Unfortunately, rhinos are facing some big problems. People hunt them for their horns and their homes. This is causing their numbers to go down. But we can help protect them. There are many ways we can help rhinos. We can support organizations that work to save them, like rhino sanctuaries and conservation groups. We can also raise awareness about their importance and the dangers they face. So remember, young explorers, rhinos are incredible creatures that need our help to survive. Let's do our part to protect them and make sure they continue to roam the wild for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this rhino adventure. Don't forget to write some fun facts you learned in the comments section. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being curious about the amazing world around us. Until the next adventure, goodbye, young explorers.